Alright, so as you guys recall from a bit earlier in the video, I had a big chip out here, which not ideal. I guess you can see there's also a bit of a crack developing right there. So we took a page out of Cam at Blacktail Studios book, and we just mixed up some black epoxy and filled it in. And I gotta say, it actually looks really good. And the crack, actually I really like having the black focus. Thank you. Having the black resin kind of run up in through that. That looks really cool. And it gives me some ideas for future projects. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I had fun making this, and it's a nice, easily accessible project for a lot of different people, because realistically, you don't need that much equipment to do it. And when I get around to it in the next week or so, I will be showing you the finishing of these two pieces of rebar screwdrivers. You can see this one I forged into a little bit of a point, and this one I just left as straight stock. I'm going to be using these segmented wood handles. This one's pretty basic, and this one is obviously a little bit more complicated. It's actually poplar, which, like, I was really surprised you can get this kind of grain and figuring in, like, domestic poplar. But I guess that'll be a cool project. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell notification so you can be sure to watch the next one when it comes out. See you next time.